Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an alternative for the Windows 11 Run box that is quite old and doesn't have a dark mode yet. You can install this Run box as third-party app that you can get through the Microsoft Store, and this app is not developed by Microsoft. You can install this Run box as a third-party app from the Microsoft Store. Remember this, it is not developed by Microsoft itself. So, let's begin. Firstly, open Microsoft Store and search for Run by FireCube. Click on Get and install it. After the app is installed, click on Open. As you can see, I have a welcome screen displaying various settings in order to make the experience a little bit better. Click on Start. The initial step is to open up the settings section and ensure that this app becomes the default for your keyboard and overriding the default Run shortcut. I am also enabling the Show Run in Tray option. Now, as I close this app and press the Windows key +R on my computer, this app will open up with the same capabilities as the classic Run box. You can use it to type a program to run or perform various other tasks. If you click on the arrow located near the Run button, you will find the Run as Administrator option, which is an improvement over the default Run box in Windows 11. So you can run any task here as administrator without any other command. If you find some issues with the app, you can also uninstall this app. Simply go to your settings and find Installed Apps. Here search for Run app and uninstall it. You will find your default Run box again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.